Hello everyone and welcome back to my crafting world. This is Anna. I joined a group swap. It's a deal on YouTube. I believe her name is Liana. Is opened up a group swap. So I thought, you know what? I haven't been in a group swap in a hot minute. So I thought I would join. So my project, or what's required, is in here. So I wanted to share that with you. So the box that they are in was not a requirement. It was she just wanted us to put everything like in a bag, just to keep everything together. And I have to mail this off. So I had already packaged everything up. And I thought, oh, wait, I didn't share a video. So I opened everything back up. And here I'm sharing it with you guys. So I took this one out of the bag just because this is the one I'm going to share with you. They're all exactly the same. Just what may have changed are some of the papers that I used because I did use a digital that I got off of Etsy. And I didn't want to print anymore because, I had already printed quite a bit. So let me share my project with you, and let me move these two out of the way. And like I said, what is a little different are some of the papers that I may have used. Actually, these two are the same. So I will open this up for you and show you what I've made. So first of all, I put everything in a box just to keep everything together. And I'm pretty sure that it's going to get crushed in transit, but hopefully the inside will not get damaged. So I just made a simple little box. I cut a heart out of the front panel. I stamped XOXO on there, and then I stickled it up. I put a couple of little flowers here with some stickles in the center and some leaves, and then these are little gem hearts. And it is, has the same paper all the way around. And I didn't do anything to the back, but it is the back, so I didn't. What I did forget to do is put my ticket on there with my information. So I just put it on the outside of the bag. So hopefully, that's going to be okay. So we followed a tutorial, and I believe it was Craft Purge that had made, I think. I'll put the link in the description box for you guys. So we followed her tutorial for this little embellishment book. And like I said, this was a digital off of Etsy. And if I can find it, I'm sure I can. I'll link it in the description box as well. So it's really, really cute. I generally don't do gnomes, but this one was just too cute to pass up. So I layered the book. So this is the front, this is the side, and this is the back. So a dangle was required, so I just made a little dangle for everyone, and they are all the same. So I went ahead and just made the same dangle for everyone. So the front I layered after I made the book. I layered it with some mirrored fuchsia colored cardstock. And then from the paper collection, I just fussy cut these elements from the paper collection. I have to keep checking, guys, because I know I haven't been in frame here last couple of videos. So I just cut out the little gnome. I cut out the balloon so I can put it on dimension on top of the existing balloon. And then his nose is also on dimension. And then this is a stamp that I had in my stash. It just says Glad We're Friends, Valentine. And then the glitter cardstock on the front. And then this cute little mushroom, and I just put stickles on the spots. And then this heart, I just fell in love. And quite honestly, that's the second reason I purchased this, because the gnome is so cute. But look at the bow. I meant to say bow. And then the heart I cut that also. I cut it out also and just put a little heart stone in the middle, and that comes from Buttons Galore and More, one of their mixes. And then I put stickles around the little heart. So hopefully you can see that. So I just used some sheer ribbon for the closure, and then we open it up, and we were required on this side to I don't remember if it was 1 or 2 trims, 18 inches worth. So I did the pretty cream color, the white, and the pink. And this, guys, is just like a belly band made out of acetate. So I just glued that on there and stuck this under there. This is all that was required for the first page, but we were also required to buy a store-bought goodie, and this was my goodie for them. It is so adorable. I just love this mix. It is a Buttons Galore and More. So that is where my store-bought goodie found a place. And then on this page, we were to make a memory dex card. So this is my memory dex card. I just made an envelope and I embossed it. So here's the embossing. This has to stick back on my page. Here's the deboss side, but here's the embossed side. It's kind of a little bit hard to see, but it's so pretty. It's a whole bunch of hearts. And then again with the gnome, and I put stickles on his feet and put I glued down one of the glittered hearts from Dollar Tree. And here is just some more trim, some more hearts. And then this comes out, and this is the liner to the envelope, which is in white glitter cardstock. And another sticker right there. And then the card that comes out, I went ahead and fussy cut a bow. Some more these are actually the stickers from the Dollar Tree, but I cut them down with a die to make 2 smaller ones, and then a 14, and then you can put information on the back and put it back into the envelope, and that's a memory dex card. Doesn't have a whole bunch of dimension to it, guys, because the book is a certain dimension itself, and I didn't want to stretch it out too much, you know, and have it crack and whatnot. And then in this pocket, we were to do send some die cuts, and this I've already sealed, guys, so I really don't want to open it up. But there's a whole bunch of hearts, there's a background, there's a key, there's keys, and I believe we were supposed to make 10 of them. I put in some dies for a cupcake, you know, open heart, or, you know, the hearts, you know, just a random, you know, everything is, you know, can be used for Valentine's. So I just made a cute little topper for it. It's in a glassine bag. I did cut a heart bag topper for this one, and I put in some die cuts so that they can create their own macaroons. So I put in some blank or just white pieces so they can make their own macarons, whatever it is, their own pastry, whatever color they want. And then a heart right there, and just die cut, you know, the bottom of the paper here, put a little trim there, and that was it. That's all I did for that. But there is my 10 die cuts. Okay, and then in the next page, we were supposed to make a shaker. So this is the shaker that I made for this group. And yeah, guys, you know I love my shakers. I can't make them. But this one wasn't too bad. So I put a bow, I cut out a bow. I made the shaker, and under the shaker, I put the same sticker that says "Glad We're Friends Valentine." Not the sticker, but the stamp. I cut out a heart and stamped the center with that sentiment. Then I cut out another flower, some leaves, and I put another resin piece in the center, and then I used some pop of color on top of the acetate, and another heart from Buttons Galore and More, and another resin piece in the center of the bow. So I wanted to have a message on there, not just the shaker part. But I used those little pink cutouts are from that background die that is in the die cut piece bag. So and I used red foam to cut this. Guys, that foam that I used is from Hobby Lobby. It's not too bad, but it's not the greatest. But it is red, so it kind of blends in with the heart itself. So that was my shaker. And then on this side was sender's choice. We could send whatever we wanted. So I made a faux leather bow, and I'm going to show you what I did with this bow so that it doesn't have the, that plain back on there. I went ahead and used some webbing, some Wonder stuff that you can iron on, and then you iron the paper, and the back is not plain like the back looks. So I went ahead and lined the back of the bow so that it's got some color, wherever you see it, whatever angle you see it from, it's got color. And then I used one of the little bling pieces for the center. So I thought that was kind of cute. I really did like that. And unfortunately, I didn't make any for me, and I should have. And then this one, again, let me try to take it off gently. Oh, okay. So this is a Polaroid. It's got 14 right here, another flower and leaves. And then I put some little bling pieces here at the corner. And this you can actually lift out and put a actual picture in there. You can, whatever you want to put in there, but you can actually put a picture in there. And I love that little Polaroid. The back is plain. Oops. The back is plain. So, yeah, I like that. I would be happy to receive something like that. Okay. And then, of course, the back is, it's layered, but it's not like decorated. So, yeah, that is my swap that I am sending in. And like I said, I really do. And that's why I made the box, because hopefully this won't get crushed. And, yeah. And I'm going to mail this off so that she can have it on time. And I hope everybody enjoys it. All right, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I will talk to everyone later. Y'all have a great day. Thanks a lot, guys.